Hey guys, we are from usethebitcoin.com and today we are going to introduce to you a coin that has a potential to reach $1 in the next few days or in the next few months, all right? Now introducing Wormhole, okay? As you can see, this is just a new coin, and if we are going to measure it, right, we can clearly see that it has been trading for just around, 23 days, all right? Now, although it's not ideal to consider this for long term yet because it doesn't have strong foundation or strong fundamentals, but it's also nice to consider this for short term trades, okay, for swing trades. Now, we are also at the bull season, right? Okay, so I'm expecting this coin to move even higher in the next few days. And aside from that, if you're also going to check on the 4-hour time frame, okay, let's change it. All right. And then if you're going to add an indicator called RSI, okay, you would see that this is forming a bullish divergence. Now, if you're going to look at its candles, okay, it seems like it is moving downwards, right? Okay. But if you're going to check its RSI, okay, you would clearly see that it is now moving upwards, okay? Now, what does that mean? It means that its selling momentum is about to end, okay? And we are getting near to the change of its trend, okay? Which is the bull trend, okay? And aside from that, okay, if you're going to check on its price, okay, it just started at 0.19 or 0.20, okay? But today, we are already at 0.61, and in the span of 23 days it's moving quite fast. Okay, so let's just assume that this coin would really go up to $1 in the next few days or in the next few months. Then if you bought it at its current price, okay, you would have a potential increase of around 64 to 65%. Okay, and let's say that it would really continue to go up because of the bull trend, then it could potentially reach its highest peak someday, okay? Its all-time high, okay? Then which would be around 190 to 192% increase, okay? Wow. Now, I'm adding this coin to my watch list and I will just be observing this coin for the next few days, okay? But I am reminding you guys that it's too early for us to expect something big with this coin, okay? So just trade it conservatively and at the same time, trade it at your own risk, okay? So that's it for now. Thank you so much again for watching. Now, if you want to have more technical analysis like this one, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our newsletter because we will be sending you the latest crypto news directly to your inbox. Okay? Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.